Hello everyone, welcome to Tasha Determined Health, Wellness, and Fitness YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be discussing some of the things that helped me lose 112 pounds all natural in 9 months back in 2017, and I've been able to keep the weight off to this day. So the very first thing that I had to tackle, the very first thing that I had to gain control of was my mindset. Our mindset is the most powerful asset that we own. Yes, the mindset. Our mindset dictates our reality. And for me, what I had to do, I had to start developing a positive mindset. I had to start believing in myself, and also having the confidence knowing that it's possible for me to lose weight. Because I would tell myself, if someone else can lose weight, so can you. It starts with that mindset. And what helped me with my mindset as well, having a positive mindset and a can-do attitude, because that's part of the mindset as well, having a can-do attitude, knowing that it's possible for me. What helped me with that was having a well-defined why. And my why was my health. I did not want to be on diabetes medication because I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes, also had sleep apnea at the time. I was placed on a breathing machine to help me sleep at night. So I had some health complications, and my being overweight, being obese were contributing factors to me having these health complications. And I had to gain control of my mindset, and also just having that can-do attitude. And also what helped me with that mindset, as I indicated, was having a well-defined why, which was my health. I did not want to be on diabetes medication, as well as I did not want to be on several medications. I did not want to have high cholesterol, high blood pressure, heart disease. And I didn't want these complications. I did not want these complications. So having a well-defined helped me with my mindset. Is that, as I indicated, our mindset is the most powerful asset that we own. It's the most powerful resource that we own. And in addition to that, having a well-defined why, what helped me with my mindset was listening to positive content. Positive content on YouTube. At the time, I listened to various motivational as well as inspiring speakers, such as Eric Thomas, such as Les Brown, Mel Robbins, as well as Tony Robbins. So those are the various individuals that I did listen to during my 112-pound weight loss journey. And I would listen to these individuals daily because I was focused, which is part of the mindset as well. I was focused. I was focused on losing the weight because I literally knew that I had to lose weight for my health. My health was at jeopardy. So tuning into that positive content on YouTube helped me with my journey. So I recommend that as well. That's another recommendation that can help you with your mindset. Tuning into positive content on YouTube. Tune into Tasha Determined Health, Wellness, and Fitness channel on YouTube. That's certainly going to help you with your journey. And if you're new to my channel, I do have my 112-pound all natural weight loss testimony on my YouTube channel. It's my very first video that I posted on my YouTube channel. So feel free to check that out, because you're going to see my transformation. You're going to see my transformation from the beginning all the way to I was able to lose 112 pounds. And just so feel free to check that video out. So secondly, the first is mindset, having a positive mindset. Secondly, I would say definitely another recommendation that helped me, that I'm helping you with to lose the weight, would be also proper nutrition. Proper nutrition is the main component to weight loss and healthy living, everyone, is proper nutrition. You know, that old saying is that you cannot outwork a bad diet. That is so true. Proper nutrition is the foundation. It's the foundation and the key to weight loss and healthy living. It certainly is. And the reason why I say that, because you cannot outwork a bad diet. I had bad eating habits, everyone. And as a result of my bad eating habits, I was obese, overweight. At my heaviest, I weighed 254 pounds. I'm 5'5". So that was a lot of weight to carry around for someone who's relatively short, relatively short. So I had to gain control of my eating habits. I had to focus on my proper nutrition. And what helped me with my proper nutrition, I started to reduce as well as eliminate things that were contributing to my unhealthy eating habits. A lot of individuals know back then, especially in the videos I have, previous videos I posted, I love fried chicken. I grew up on fried chicken. That would be one of the main things we would eat growing up, is fried chicken. I would eat fried chicken at least 3 times a week, if not more. I would either cook fried chicken, so I would have home cooked fried chicken, or if I wasn't able to cook chicken at home, I would go out to a fast food restaurant and purchase some fried chicken. And then there's a lot of research to support that we have to start eating healthier. You know, eating a lot of fried chicken, especially if you eat it as much as I did, it's not the best. It's not the best. It's not the best option. It's not the best for your health. So we have to start incorporating more more baked, as well as broiled foods, as well as we have to start incorporating more complex carbs, as well as fruits and vegetables. And we have to start eliminating this processed meats or processed foods, I would say, processed foods, as well as certain meats. And what I did during that particular time, I started to incorporate more boneless, skinless chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, as well as ground turkey. I eliminated red meat such as ground beef, as well as pork. And also I started to also have lean ground turkey, as well as turkey bacon. And also I started incorporating healthier, I would say, healthier oils, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. I started to eat more vegetables such as kale, spinach, Brussels sprouts, broccoli. I started to incorporate brown rice and also cauliflower rice. I started to incorporate sweet potatoes. So I started to become very mindful and self-aware of my nutrition, and it was very beneficial. I started to drink more water. Back then, I've mentioned on other videos as well, I was a huge pop or soda drinker. I would drink pop a lot, at least 2 liters a day at minimum, because I love pop back then. And I know some people prefer Coke over Pepsi or Pepsi over Coke. I liked them both back then. I would literally drink both. I can drink Coke or Pepsi. In addition to Coke and Pepsi, I will also drink Mountain Dew as well as Sprite. So that's just those were my eating habits back then. But luckily, I've been able to change that around. I started to incorporate water, as well as they do have the 0 low-calorie versions of these certain items. So that's where I started, because I didn't want to go cold turkey, because going cold turkey is, for some individuals, is not sustainable. And from my personal experience, it wasn't. Is what I tried to go cold turkey previously, and prior to my successful weight loss, is not sustainable. So I just recommend taking the slow and steady, the micro approach to weight loss. And going cold turkey may not be beneficial for you, but if it is, that's fine. But for my clients and for my family members and friends that I do help, we take the micro approach to weight loss. And that's another recommendation. We literally take things one day at a time. We take baby steps. We start reducing things that are contributing to our unhealthy eating habits. Then eventually you'll be able to eliminate those, or just have those particular items on a treat meal day. So that's another recommendation. Just take the slow approach to it. Just take the slow approach to it. And that's what I had to do. I literally knew it was going to be a journey, and I knew it was going to be a journey well worth it, but I had to understand and I knew I had to lose at least 100 pounds to be considered healthy. And I knew it was a task. It was a task that I was definitely willing to take. I needed to take, because as I indicated at the beginning of this video, my health was at stake. I did not want to be on diabetes medication and have serious health complications. So that helped me. That helped me with my mindset. That helped me also even develop healthy eating habits, And also what helped me with that as well, too, with my proper nutrition, and to account for my macronutrients as well as micronutrients. So macronutrients are fats, protein, and carbs. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. I definitely utilize MyFitnessPal because I needed a resource. I needed a resource to help me be accountable. I needed a resource to help me with my proper nutrition. And to lose weight, you do need to be in a caloric deficit. And at first I was a little hesitant because I never used it before. I was like, I don't know if it's going to be tedious, time consuming, overwhelming. I was like, okay, we have to. Tasha, you have to. You need accountability. You need an accountability tool that's going to help you keep track. You also need a tool that's going to help you keep track as well as monitor your progress. So I downloaded it. And once I downloaded MyFitnessPal, it's a great app. I was definitely well pleased. I was pleasantly surprised with MyFitnessPal because it's very user friendly. I love how it's just easy to navigate, and it literally does all the counting. It does all the counting for you. It does all the counting for you, tracking for you. All you have to do is type in what you ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can even track your water. You can even upload the QR code as well too. So it's very user friendly, and it does all the counting for you. The way technology has evolved, like it's great to count calories these days. Because just imagine back then, before we had these apps such as MyFitnessPal, Samsung Health, there's various counting calorie apps out here. Before we had these, we literally had to do it. We had to track our calories the old school method. We had to get a notebook. We had to get a pen. We had to get a calculator. And we had that was the way of tracking back then. And that's more time consuming and tedious versus the method we have to this day. So that's why I do recommend to my clients as well as family members and friends, those looking to lose weight, And download a calorie counting app. It's going to be beneficial. It's going to have accountability. It's going to help you with your accountability. It's a great accountability tool, a great resource. So download a calorie counting app is another thing, or another recommendation. It's another recommendation that I would like to recommend. And also as well too, I would say this goes back to your mindset, is believing in yourself, loving yourself, and know that you're possible, and know that you're worthy. And just know that if Tasha can lose weight, so can you. If someone else can lose weight, so can you. It starts with that self-belief, that self-love, as well as self-discipline. And you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goal. And there's going to be more tips coming. It's going to be more tips as well as advice upcoming videos to help you with your weight loss journey. Just know it's possible. We're in it to win it. We're in it to win it. A lot of you know that's my theme song. In it to win it is the theme song to my health, wellness, and fitness business, because we truly are. We are in it to win it. Just never give up. Believe in yourself and know that you're possible and know that you're worthy. And I'm passionate about health, wellness, and fitness. And I recently received more certifications. In addition to being a certified personal trainer, I have received recent certifications because I'm passionate about health, wellness, and fitness. And I want to become more knowledgeable. I do have the experience as well as knowledge, but I also want to become more knowledgeable to help you with weight loss and also healthy living. So in addition to my certified personal training certification, I'm also a nutrition coach. I'm also a certified weight management specialist, as well as a fitness coach, and also an elite trainer. So here's a listing of my certifications. Those are my certifications. So yes, I'm just passionate about health, wellness, and fitness. I turned my pain, because I did fail at weight loss for 9.5 years. Prior to 2017, I failed at weight loss for 9.5 years, but I was able to turn my pain into my passion. And that's why I wanted to receive additional certifications to help you and to also acquire more knowledge to help you on your journey. Because my mission on this earth is to serve, inspire, and support people by helping them transfer their mindset to achieve successful as well as long-term weight loss. That's my mission, and I'm just grateful. I'm grateful that I'm fulfilling my mission. I'm helping various individuals with their weight loss journey, and I want to help you. I want to help you. So just feel free to check me out. Feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, Tasha Determined 3, if you would like to know more about my health, wellness, and fitness program, because I feel like there's 3 components to your overall quality of life. 3 components: health, wellness, and fitness, to your overall healthy journey, wellness journey. So definitely check me out to know more about my health, wellness, and fitness program. Feel free to schedule a discovery call, consultation call, 30 minutes, as well as once we go from there, we can start scheduling. We can start scheduling personal training sessions. So just feel free to send me a DM on my Instagram account. I just want to say thank you, everyone, for all the love, the support, and the encouragement that I have received. It does mean a lot to me. And just know that you're possible, and know that you're worthy. Until the next video, I want to take care, everyone. Take care. Talk to you soon.